Today we're diving into something I know a lot of you have been curious about, and that's the benefits of red light therapy for our skin. The OMNILUX Contour LED mask, if you've been wondering whether it's worth the investment, I'm going to break down exactly how it works, who it's for, and what kind of results you can expect. And stick around till the end as I share a tip that I do on the weekly to keep my skin looking its best. I also have a discount code for you for your very own OmniLux mask. You can find the link in the description below so you can get yours at a savings. So who should be using the OmniLux mask? Well, this mask, it's designed for anyone experiencing signs of aging, sun damage, or uneven skin tone. It's especially beneficial for women over 50 who may be noticing a loss of firmness, increased dryness, or fine lines are becoming more pronounced. So I've had mine for a year now. I've been meaning to do this video forever. It's just finding the time. So if you're dealing with wrinkles, sagging, or dullness, this can help improve elasticity and give your skin a refreshed look. If you have sensitive skin, this is a non-invasive kind of alternative to more aggressive treatments like chemical peels or lasers. So if you struggled with redness or irritation, red light therapy has been shown to help calm inflammation and support skin barrier function. Okay, so what can you expect to achieve using the OmniLux mask? Let's talk results. Studies and real world use have shown the OmniLux mask can help reduce fine lines and wrinkles by it helps to increase collagen production. It improves skin elasticity, making skin feel firmer and more resilient. I've had my mask for just over a year and I've been meaning to do this video forever. I'm finally taking the time to do this. Once again, I'll have the link below for you so you'll get a discount. Anyway, the other thing that it also does, it helps to brighten skin tone, reducing dullness and kind of evening out like pigmentation and stuff. I actually have a little spot here on the side, a sunspot, and using my mask, it hasn't completely, eliminated it, but it's definitely brought it down from, a 10 to a 2 or a 3, and that's pretty easy to cover up with sunscreen, tinted sunscreen, or foundation. So super, super happy with my mask. So I'm not going to bore you with the science behind it, but what I can tell you is that it's the #1 mask that dermatologists are recommending, and it's FDA approved, so super important. The red light, it helps to boost circulation, it reduces inflammation, and it promotes healing. And the near infrared light, it penetrates deeper, and that's what stimulates collagen. It just makes you feel more plump, I guess, when you use your mask regularly. And it kind of helps to increase elastin for firmer, more youthful skin. And that always makes me happy because you just feel better when you look in the mirror, right? So, and you just use it for 10 minutes a day, 5 to 7 days a week. That's fine. But these wavelengths, they basically work together. So you get the red light, near infrared light, and they support skin regeneration and they slow down the visible signs of aging. Something that obviously becomes even more important as our estrogen levels drop during menopause. There's no downtime to using the OmniLux mask, and that's a major bonus. And you can use it while you're reading, watching TV, or just relaxing. And I actually just take my 10 minutes a day and close the door, on my bed, put my mask on, close my eyes, and just kind of like namaste. Okay, so how do we use the OmniLux mask? It's super easy. You start with clean, dry skin. For better absorption, I always recommend using an AHA, which is an alpha hydroxy acid serum beforehand. I just put that on, as you can see here. And the AHA, it helps remove dead skin cells, allowing the red light to penetrate more effectively into our skin. And then you just put the mask around your head and your face, as you can see here, and boop, you turn it on. And then you follow up after your 10 minutes, and hopefully you're taking that time to rest, or maybe you're doing the dishes, whatever it is that you're doing. But um, it, 10 minutes is the recommended time period for this. Follow up with your favorite moisturizer or hydrating serum, and it helps to lock in the moisture and enhance the results of using your OmniLux mask. I just want to make a side note. You can use it without the AHA serum, but it does help to prep your skin to kind of get the most out of your OmniLux session by, it helps to smooth the skin, helps brighten it, and just helps it become more radiant over time. I actually bought this one here, and this is the one. It is an extra, but I actually bought it from OmniLux, and I really like that one. I ran out of it just recently, and kind of quickly grabbed something else, and I won't say the name brand of it because I don't want to put down this particular product, but I'm definitely going to be ordering some more of my AHA serum from OmniLux directly because I noticed a huge improvement with my skin when using that combined with my mask. Okay, so you should notice seeing improvements in your skin's texture, brightness, and elasticity within 4 to 6 weeks. But like any skincare routine, consistency is key. If you're looking for a non-invasive at-home solution to support your aging skin and improve its overall health, really, this is definitely a science-backed option to consider. It's safe, it's easy, and effective, making it a great alternative to expensive spa treatments or injectables. I used to get filler. I've stopped filler. I still do my Botox twice a year, and I'll maybe take you with me on an appointment for that. But nevertheless, I've stopped all fillers because I started getting like a puffy look, and I traded in and I bought my mask, and I haven't looked back. I'm super, super happy. So, okay, and my weekly beauty tip, as promised at the beginning of this video, is that I use ingredients from my own kitchen, and once a week, I mash up half an avocado and I put in a heaping teaspoon of natural honey, mix them together, apply, as you can see here. And I leave that on for like 20 minutes or so. And avocado is actually packed with healthy fats, vitamins E and C, and antioxidants, and it really deep moisturize and fight free radical damage on your skin. And the honey is a natural humectant, and meaning that it helps to lock in moisture and soothe irritation and antibacterial properties to keep our skin clear and calm. So these masks, they help, calm redness, inflation, inflammation, and enhance skin hydration and all that good stuff. Our skin just looks more smoother and plump. So I do this mask once a week, and of course I incorporate it with my daily 10 minutes of my OmniLux LED mask. If you found this video helpful, please smash that like button for me and don't forget to subscribe for more fact-based beauty, wellness, and skincare tips for us women over 50 years of age. Until next time, take care of your skin, take care of yourself, and remember, menopause isn't for pussies.